Stop by and take a look at the 2015 Evoque. The all-new Range Rover Evoque is the lightest and most fuel-efficient Range Rover to date, continuing our commitment to environmental sustainability, and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, heated seats, traction control, dual airbags, air conditioning, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, electronic stability control, security system, power windows. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.